still have the knife. Now, many things have happened since I got that knife. Since then, I've been a rail splitter, a farmer, a soldier. Back in 1832, there was some trouble with the Indians, and a few of us boys formed a militia to help deal with it. The boys elected me captain. I was pretty proud of that. First time anybody ever elected me for anything, I must say I liked it. We never saw much action, just mostly marched around from here to there and back again. And as captain, I was responsible for shouting out the proper marching orders. Left face, right face, about face, forward march. Well, things were going pretty smooth, but we did run upon a problem one day. The boys were marching four abreast. We came upon this fence with just a small gate to pass through. And for the life of me, I could not remember the proper order to get those fellows to form a single line and pass through that gate one at a time. So I said, men, fall out. And in 2 minutes, we're going to fall in again on the other side of that fence.